Ride Fit Nation, what's up? Grab your dumbbells. I'm using 15-pound dumbbells. I'm using a mat. I'm also using a chair. We're going to get after it. We're going to do 10 reps of each exercise. This is going to be about a 10 to 15-minute workout. Make sure you have your water handy, because if you don't have your water handy, you're going to kick yourself in the butt. You feel me? Because it's 10 minutes, maybe 15, but let me tell you, it's going to be intense. All right, we're going to start off with some push-ups. 10 reps, all the way down, all the way up on my count. Let's get started. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. Stand it up. We're going to go for some squats next. Bend your knees, pick those dumbbells up. Legs are going to be out, dumbbells in the center. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Beautiful. Good stuff. Rest that down. Good job. Decline push-ups. Feet on the chair, hands on the ground, okay? I'm using the dumbbells to protect my wrists. You can use the same thing, or if you have push-up bars, you're good to go, all right? Okay, round 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. That's what I'm saying. You're doing good so far. The heart rate should be climbing already, because mine is. All right? All right, squats again. This time the dumbbells is on the outside and the feet are going to be closer together. All right? Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Good. All right. Round 3. We have push-ups again. It's going to be push-ups and squats. I think you could already tell that. So round 3, feet elevated. We're going to do 1 push-up, pull 1 leg in. Next push-up, pull the other leg in. All right. 10 times is the reps. Woo. Get yourself ready. We go in 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. So we have 3 sets in so far, 6 more to go. You with me? Yeah, 6 more to go. Okay, so on the push-ups, I'm gonna go down, extend the arm back, come back down. So if I'm on a push-up position, I'm gonna go up, extend back. I'm using the weights here, and then go to the other side. Okay, so 1 push-up in between each move. All right, here we go. Round 4, stomach tight, and we are off. 1. Now do a push-up. 2, 3, 4. Come on. 5. Woo. Woo. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. Oh man, I'm happy that's done. Ooh, heart rate is up. All right, reverse lunges, 10 reps. I'm gonna let my knees tap the floor lightly, but you don't have to, okay? Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You got it. 7. Come on. 8. 9. And 10. That's right. Take a sip of that water. Your heart rate should be up. My heart rate is up the way it should be, okay? What's that, 5? You gotta help me to count. We got 1 push-up, flat, decline, knees in, pulls. No, this is 5 now. We got regular squats. We have reverse lunges. We have side squats. Yeah, this is 5. Damn it, I was hoping it would be more. All right, so now, back to those push-ups. These push-ups, we're only gonna do quarter push-ups, going halfway down, halfway up. This is pretty simple, but we're not gonna speed it, okay? Here we go. 1, hold it to that point. 2, see where I'm at? 3, I'm not coming all the way up. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, come on, 9, 10, good, you got it. That's what I'm talking about. You're doing it. All right, squats to a curl. I'm going to squat down, then I'm going to curl the weight up on the top, okay? So dumbbells in between the legs, all the way down, come up to a curl. Let the dumbbells touch the floor. Here we go, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. You can hear me breathing. I want you to breathe. 8, 9, 10. Okay, I think this is 10 right here. There you go. Nice. Beautiful. You're doing it. Okay, we're halfway in. I could be wrong. Maybe that was 5 sets. But so what? Who cares? We're here to work. We ain't here to play. We are here to work. All right, these push-ups. I'm gonna go decline push-up. Every time I do 1 push-up, I'm gonna walk off. Bring the left foot down, right foot down. Then work my way back up on top of that chair. So feet elevated, do a push-up, feet off the chair, repeat until we get to 10. If you don't understand what I'm saying, that's okay. You'll get it. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. I'm going left and right. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Yep. 9, 10. That's right. That's what I'm talking about. Woo! That there kicked my butt. Thank you, chair. Thank you. But you even know you could do this with a chair, right? Yeah, a chair. All right, squat. We're going down to that squat, to that front raise. We did that arm curl, going to that front raise. Here we go. 10 reps. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. 2, 3, I'm using less momentum here. 4, that's why I'm stopping after each one. 5, 6, come on, squeeze the butt when you get to the top. 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. Oh. You're doing good with a smile. All right, this one is gonna be a contradiction a little bit. It's gonna end up being 20 push-ups instead of 10, but it's okay. I can't count, all right? So we're gonna do a quarter push-up to a full push-up, that's 1. You go down, come up halfway, go down, come up full way, that's 1, all right? So let's do this. We're going 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I did an extra one there. 10. Oh yeah. Why did I do an extra one? I didn't want to do an extra one. Okay, so this one, we're gonna go to the lunge. This is gonna lunge from the dead position every single time. We're doing 5 and 5, all right? So every time, you're gonna go back to your starting position, which is right here, with the weight in hand. All right, here we go. Chest is up, stomach is tight. My 1, you get down, you get up, then you get down. Ready? And when you get up, bring that rear leg, the rear foot to align to the front foot. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't let those knees collapse to the ground. Softly land. 5. All right, good work. Let's switch to the other leg. We go in 3, 2, 1. 2, 3. Yep. 4. And 5. Good job. I love it. You're doing good. We're almost there. I lost count, so pay no attention to me, okay? I think we have like 3 more rounds or 2 more rounds, but whatever. So we're gonna go to wide grip push-ups, chest all the way down, chest all the way up for 10 reps. It's gonna be a faster flow, okay? Here we go. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Body squats, arms out for 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Come on. 8, 9, 10. Push-ups. Bringing the butt back to a V, back into your push-up. You know what I'm talking about. Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Come on. 6. Let's go. 7. Only 3 more. 8. You can do this. 9. It's just pain. 10. Yeah. Come on. Reverse lunge to a squat. Reverse lunge one leg, reverse lunge the other, squat. 10 rounds. Ready? Let's go. 1. Readjust your foot every time. 2. 3. 4. 5. Come on. 6. 7. Come on, we got 3 more. 8. Just keep on pushing. Come on, don't stop. Let's go. 9, last one. 10, you got it. Quarter push-ups. We're gonna do 20 quarters, 20 regular squats, just in case I happen to miss a round. All right, let's go. Oh, before we go, arms are not wide. Arms are close enough to hit the back of those arms. The triceps, 20 reps. Ready? Go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Woo, that got hard to breathe and count from the bottom. Hands down, touch the floor, keeping the quarters. 20 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Heck yeah, that's what I'm talking about. Ride Fit Nation, baby. This is what it's about. Being fit riders. I don't want to hear nothing out of you. My heart rate is through the roof. I'm feeling phenomenal. I'm 46 years young. I feel great. My oldest son is 25. My youngest baby girl is 9 at this time of recording this video. Today's date is July 11th, 2022. See what I'm saying? Leave in the comments, let me know how you did. If you hear me breathing hard, it doesn't mean I'm out of shape. It just means that I'm working hard. I'm contracting every muscle group. I'm squeezing it. I'm squeezing that time. You don't need to do an hour in the gym. You don't. You get in, you do routines like this. Trust me, you're gonna see the difference. If you didn't do as well as you thought, that's okay. Keep on practicing. That's why we're here, Ride Fit Nation. If you did phenomenal, don't forget, you're not competing with me. You're competing with yourself. All right, so we out, baby. And leave in the comments what kind of bike you're riding. Where you at? What state you in? You in Georgia, North Carolina, South Carolina, Louisiana, Mississippi, California, New York? Where you from? New Jersey? I want to know. Peace.